Yo, what is up, everybody? If you're rolling into 2026 without a top-tier dashcam, you are playing a risky game, fam. I'm telling you. That blurry footage from your old camera isn't gonna prove jack when you need to read a license plate at 70 miles an hour, so stop scrolling. I've ripped through the best dashcams on Amazon right now. We're talking 4K, 60 FPS, dual Starvis 2 sensors, the whole shebang. And most of them are honestly overkill. We're jumping in right now. If you want something that disappears behind your rearview mirror, you need the Vantrue E1 Pro 4K Mini. And this thing is tiny, but don't let the size fool you, because it records in brilliant 4K, thanks to the Sony Starvis 2 sensor. That's the gold standard for low light recording, period, and users love how little windshield space it takes up. Installation is simple with its magnetic mount, which is a game changer. But the best part is Vantrue's Plate Pix technology. It's designed specifically to make those pesky license plates readable, even when the light is harsh. Plus, it runs on a supercapacitor, so it handles extreme summer heat way better than battery-powered cams, making it a simple, discreet, and powerful solution. But you should know it's a front-only camera, so if you need a rear view, you gotta look elsewhere. Although, it does have voice control for hands-free saving of clips. Don't forget to tap the description link for the E1 Pro if you're keeping it stealthy. The 70mm 810 4K front and rear. And this has become the go-to recommendation for anyone who says, I just need a reliable, high-quality dual cam that won't break the bank, because it gives you 4K up front with the Starvis 2 sensor and a solid 1080p key for the rear, making it a fantastic all-rounder. Users consistently praise its night vision, which they call seriously bright, thanks to the dual HDR, meaning license plates pop out even on dark country roads, and it includes basic ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems. So it'll give you a heads up if you drift out of your lane, acting like a smart safety co-pilot without the crazy price tag. But be aware that while the camera unit is sleek, some users find the companion app can be a little clunky when downloading those big video files. Find the A810 dual cam kit linked below to secure your ride front and back. The bronze medal goes to the VIOFO A329 S4K 60 FPS. And the feature that makes this thing a heavy hitter is the 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. Why is 60 FPS important? Because when you're dealing with a high-speed incident, like a hit and run, that extra smoothness is the difference between a blurry mess and a perfectly captured plate, especially when freezing motion. This is a power user's dream because it supports an external SSD up to 4 terabytes via its new port, which is an industry first. And users who travel or need long-term evidence love that you don't have to worry about replacing tiny micro SD cards. Plus, it features Wi-Fi 6 for much faster video transfer to your phone. Though you should know it is a bit bulkier than some rivals, and you need a dedicated hardwire kit for the advanced parking mode features. If 60 FPS clarity is your top priority, grab the VIOFO A329S via the link. This is the ultimate tool for protection, the Vantrue N5S channel 360-degree dash cam, coming in at number 2. It's not just front and back, it's 4 cameras giving you 360 degrees of coverage, meaning you get the road ahead, the road behind, and 2 internal cameras covering the driver and passenger sides, making it a literal rolling surveillance system. This is a game changer for Uber, Lyft, or taxi drivers, as the interior cameras use IR night vision, so even in total darkness, you have crystal clear, black and white footage of everything happening inside. And the front camera uses the awesome Starvis 2 sensor for great daytime road clarity. But you have to know that 4 cameras mean a lot of cables, making the installation far more involved than a simple 2-channel setup, which is the main trade-off for this comprehensive coverage. Need that full 360-degree security? Check out the Vantrue N5S link below. The dash cam that just gets it right for 2026. The Miofive Car Camera 4K with built-in storage, and Miofive totally nailed the user experience here because you get true 4K resolution, 5G Wi-Fi for lightning-fast downloads, and HDR for amazing night vision. The genius move that makes it our top pick is the fact that it has 128 gigabytes of internal eMMC storage. It's built in, so you don't need to buy a separate microSD card that might fail in the heat, making it incredibly reliable right out of the box. And users love the super sleek premium design, and the fact that its Bluetooth functionality allows it to connect to the app faster than standard Wi-Fi only cams, though its app setup is slightly more involved than some simpler units. If you want the best balance of speed, clarity, reliability, and sheer ease of use that is truly worth buying on Amazon, this is the one, and it's the new benchmark for the category. So there you have it, the top 5 best dash cams of 2026. From the speed of the VIOFO to the total coverage of the Vantrue N5S, there is an option here for everyone, and I'm telling you, you need to upgrade your defense on the road. Which one would you put in your whip? Let me know down in the comments. I love reading what you guys are rocking. And remember, every single product is linked securely in the description below. So tap those links to check the latest prices and grab your upgrade today. Hit that like button if this video saved you from buying a trash cam, and subscribe for more honest Amazon reviews. Thanks for watching, y'all. Drive safe, and make sure whatever happens on the road, you've got the footage to back it up. Peace.